Welcome to Rebekah Scott Hall in the newly renovated Elizabeth Quiche Welcome Center. My name is Amy Confas. I'm the Director of Admission at Agnes Scott, as well as an alumna from the class of 2008. This is our new space to greet admission visitors, as well as other campus guests. The wonderful thing is that you can learn a little bit about Agnes Scott in a really beautiful and special place on our campus.
Hi, I'm Sydney McClure and I'm a recent graduate of Agnes Scott. I'm now acting as the Admission Experience Fellow here at the front desk of Rebekah. I'm excited to be a part of the admission team in this great newly updated space. The Welcome Center features 4 standing displays in our gallery space that highlight what students will experience and some of the traditions for each of the 4 years there at Agnes Scott. This is our first year display. Students are particularly excited about picking their class mascot during their first year. The Welcome Center also features wall displays of Scotties around the world and how they will interact with the local community. This map shows some of the locations Scotties have traveled during their Summit Global Journeys, as well as independent study abroad.
So this wall features some wonderful alumni outcomes with amazing alumni stories to share. It also includes a logo wall of organizations and companies where Scotties have recently been employed. The renovation of Rebekah Scott Hall and the Elizabeth Quiche Welcome Center would not have been possible without the generosity of amazing alumni and donors. Thank you so much for helping us create this amazing space.
Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you in person.